Hey, take a look at this 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Highline. This is in Tourmaline Blue with Titan Black interior. Highline comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, 5,000 pound towing capability, right from the manufacturer, pre-wired and everything. On the inside here, passenger side, we've got a power passenger seat, Fender audio with your subwoofer in the trunk, wireless charging, wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There are some charging stations there if you need to. Navigation system, panoramic sunroof, loads of space for the whole hockey team. Sunshades, heated rear seats, third zone climatronic system, more charging stations. These seats slide. It's super easy to get into the trunk. One finger, or excuse me, into the third row. And believe it or not, I'm about 5'9", 5'10", and I'm quite comfortable in the back. Lots of headspace. I'm not kissing my knees. Highline also gives you a power liftgate with easy open. Lots of cargo space, even with the seats up. And obviously, even more with the seats down. More charging stations, so 2 more USB-C stations. And we've also got a 12-volt accessory outlet. Convenient little grocery hanger. Privacy cover and everything is underneath. And over in the driver's seat, we have a 3 memory function 10-way power driver's seat. Heated exterior power mirrors, power windows, 1 touch down and up for all 4 positions. Automatic headlights. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Volkswagen's digital cockpit. So completely customizable display. You can even have the navigation map flipped over from here or over to the radio, whichever one you want. And obviously the Highline comes with your travel assist, so that's your lane assist, adaptive cruise control, front and rear autonomous emergency braking, and a lot more. Thanks for checking it out.